Mastering the art of mental notes in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in everyday English conversations. Take a mental note. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to communicate effectively. So, let's unravel the meaning and use of take a mental note together. The phrase, take a mental note, refers to the process of making a conscious effort to remember something without writing it down. Instead of using a physical notepad, you're using your mind as a storage space. This could be a piece of information, a task you need to do later, or anything else you find important to recall. It's like telling your brain, hey, this is important, let's not forget it. Everyday conversations. In casual conversations, you might say, I'll take a mental note of that restaurant you mentioned. This shows your interest and intention to remember the recommendation. Professional settings. At work, during meetings or when receiving instructions, you might think to yourself, I need to take a mental note of this deadline. It signifies the importance of the information for future reference. Personal reminders. You can also use it for personal tasks, like remembering to call a friend or buy a gift. Saying, I'll take a mental note to call Sarah tonight, is a way to prioritize this action in your mind. 1. Associate information. Link the information you want to remember with something familiar. This makes it easier to retrieve. 2. Repeat. Mentally repeating the information a few times can help solidify it in your memory. 3. Visualize. Create a mental image related to the note. Visual memories can be more potent than words alone. 4. Prioritize. Not everything needs to be a mental note. Focus on what's truly important to avoid information overload. Taking a mental note is a handy skill in both personal and professional contexts, enabling you to store critical information without the need for pen and paper. With practice, you can improve your ability to remember and recall important details effortlessly. We hope this video has shed light on how to effectively take a mental note and incorporate it into your daily communication. Remember, mastering a language is all about embracing its nuances. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.